Hi everybody, I hope all of you to be fine. So today I want to explain the difference between two different culture medium in begonia rex, one of the varieties of begonia rexes. So in these two jars, both of them are one cultivar, B6, this is B6, the same. And also the time of the subculture is the same, you can see here. But the type of the medium is different. This is A4, F3, and this is the A4. So I want to explain the difference between these two media and the multiplication rate, which is so important in these cases. You know, in this media, so in A4, F3, because of the components of the culture media, there are many new plantlets are multiplicated, maybe around 70 to 80. So when we subculture this bottle, about 7 to 8 new bottles can be subcultured. But for this one, A4, so you can see the size of the plantlets are so big, the size of the leaves you can see, and the size of the new plantlets which are multiplicated are bigger than this one. But you can see the rate of proliferation is less than A4, F3, you know, because of the important point between these two media is that both concentration of the plant growth regulators is the same in both of them, but just the components of the plant tissue culture media are different. So this is so important. It means that sometimes by changing the components of the plant tissue culture media, I mean the macro and micronutrients and their concentrations or their ratios, you can change the multiplication rate. You can increase the proliferation rate without increasing the concentration of the plant growth regulators. And this is so important because sometimes by increasing the plant growth regulators concentration, you can increase the possibility of somal clonal variation. But when you use the fixed concentration of the plant growth regulator and change the concentrations or ratios of the components, I mean macro or micronutrients of the plant culture media, you can increase the rate of multiplication, and this is so important in micropropagation of several plants. So you can test it, just try.